Hello guys, in this video we'll see how to download, install and configure SnowSQL on Ubuntu operating systems. Open any web browser. See, after that I have connected to Snowflake with my credentials. I have connected to Snowflake account with my credentials. Now click on the account, then click on client download, then select the Snowflake SQL. Then go to SnowSQL downloads page. Right click, open link in new tab, go to here. Then see here we have the three options: SnowSQL for Linux, SnowSQL for macOS and Windows. Okay. Then here we have the versions. The latest version of the SnowSQL is 1.4.2. And see here we have the RPM packages. These are for Red Hat or Alma Linux or Fedora type operating systems. For Debian or Ubuntu, I am going to download this bash file and install. So click on this one to download. See, download started and its size is 59 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this bash file. This is one way. Otherwise, go to snowflake.com. Then click on downloads. See here, download is completed. Okay, in this download drop down, select the SnowSQL. Then you will be directed to same page. See here, this and this both are same. Okay, now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. See here we have the bash file. We have to install it, but before installing we have to change the permissions. A+X SnowSQL ls. Now install this one. Now run bash SnowSQL, press tab to autofill, enter bash file name, hit enter. Now specify the directory where you want to SnowSQL components to be installed. So I want to install in opt bin direct. Hit enter. See, permission in it, so we have to run this with sudo. See, we have successfully set. Now configure SnowSQL path variable, because if you open new tab, if you run SnowSQL -v, see, command not found. So we have to configure the system path variable for the SnowSQL. Sudo vi ~bash rc. Hit enter. This typo, control C, bash, hit enter, provide the password of sudo user, hit enter, go to the bottom of the file, shift A, hit enter, export path equals to, in quotations, $path : /opt/bin, close the quotations. Save the file, wq exclamation, hit enter. Now run source ~bash rc, hit enter. Now run SnowSQL -v. See, we got the version. Even if you open new tab, run SnowSQL -v. See, we got the version of the SnowSQL that we have installed. Okay, now connect to Snowflake by using SnowSQL. So see here they have given the command. See, this is the command to execute, and see these three parameters we have to set in this config file first. Okay, I will show you first how to connect by using this SnowSQL command. Then we will configure the SnowSQL. Okay, after that no need to give this username and login name. First connect by using the first method, that is SnowSQL -a. Account name is, you go to account, click on the account, then select account, then view account details. See, this is the account name. Okay, just click on to copy, paste it, then -u means username. See, this is the username. Copy it, paste it, hit enter. Now we have to provide the password of this username. Okay, See, I have successfully connected. See here, no database. So if you want to give the database, Control D to quit. Then -D. Then provide the name of the database which is there. Close this one. Go to data. I have database MyDB. So give the MyDB. Hit enter. Then provide the password. See, now we got the MyDB. Before we have received no database. Okay. Now if you want to use the schemas, first verify list of schemas. Show schemas. Put semicolon for the statement completion. See, scroll up. See here I have information schema, public schema and sales. These two are the default schemas. Okay. So if you want to switch to the sales schema, use schema sales. Hit enter. See, now we have connected to mysql.sales. Okay. If you want to verify list of tables, show tables. See, I have these tables like customers. Even if you go to here, expand it, expand sales schema, go to tables. See, I have these tables. Okay. See, this is the one way. The other way is go to this config file, copy this one, copy it, open new tab, more, verify whether that file is there or not. See, we have the file. Okay. Again run. See here we have to give the account name, username and password. See here we have the options like region name, default account name. All these options we have to provide. Give to quit. So sudo vi, paste that file path, hit enter. Then come to here, don't delete or anything. See here we have to give account name. Account name is, remove this one, press I to insert mode. Again go to here, account details. See, this is the account identifier. So account name and account identifier are same. Copy it. Then username XX2, delete, shift A. Then this is the username. Copy it, paste it. Then you have to provide the password. I am hiding this one. Shift A, then provide the password. Then colon WQ exclamation to save the file. Hit enter. See, we have successfully changed. Before, see, if we exit, Control D to quit. Here we have given all this information. But once we configure this profile, just you need to run. Now we have to give SnowSQL-C example. See, we have successfully connected. Okay. Now, because see here connection name is example. If you rename like press I to insert mode, R2 schools, then if you want to provide the default database name, you have to copy this one and you have to give the database name. Then save the file, WQ exclamation, hit enter. Now go to here, Control D to exit. Now run R2 schools. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, and still see here no database. But if you want database name, just give the I to insert mode, DB name equals to MyDB. Save the file, WQ exclamation, hit enter. Now go to here, Control D to quit. Now run the same with this config file. See, this time we have connected to MyDB. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure SnowSQL on Ubuntu operating systems. Then we have connected to Snowflake from the SnowSQL. Okay, for more Snowflake tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.